Now I'm gonna show you some more tricks to add liveliness to the sound of the mix. For example, I'm gonna add a chorus to our reverb send. Also, we can add a chorus to the insert of our reverb synth, and as a result you have a stereo effect with it moving left to right and right to left. That's exactly what we need. Another cool trick to create a big sound is by adding another reverb via another send. For this, we're going to use the Space Designer plugin, and here we need a short reverb with a minimum pre-delay. And as a result from this, we get a very big and surround sound. So as you can hear in our mix, there's a big change. It sounds much better now, but it's very important to make these changes on low volume of your studio monitors. This will help you to control changes properly. If you did not hear any changes in the mix, then I would suggest you turn down the volume of your monitors and listen again. Moving on,